Hey guys, welcome back to the sliding gate series. I'm going to have several videos of cleaning and making these holes, buying the materials, hauling the materials, welding the gate. So I hope you enjoy these series. I think I'm going to end up building it there at home in 2 sections and then hauling it down over here and finish welding it. All right guys, keep you posted. All right guys, well, we're drilling the holes. The auger's working beautiful. We just changed the head, the whole auger bit, but we're drilling away. So the auger's working.
You need to move up about 3 inches.
Auger's working great, guys. More. All right, guys. So we broke a shear bolt. We got it back on.
You're done with this one.
All right.
Come up, down. Up, up. Good. Clean it out, you're good. Hold it.
Yep. A lot of clay. Very earthy. Well, guys, I have my brothers out here helping me.
Up it. Check it out. Drill it. That's good. More to go.
Go down.
Drop it.
So we got clay down about in 2.5 feet, and that's where this auger is breaking the shear bolts. And so we're just going up and down. The auger's leaking oil on the seals, but I think I can get those replaced because they're standard 2-inch seals. So let me clean that after this one, Dave. All right, hold on. We're good, brother. Let me clean it before you come up. Hold on right there. All right. So guys, by doing that, did we need to go deeper or we're good?
I think we were good.
All right. By doing that, we alleviate having to clean the holes afterwards. I'll still clean it.
That's it.
Yep. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 holes, guys. That'll hold a rail where the gate will slide on, and we'll just slide it all the way through. All right, keep you posted. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Next project is going to be cutting down these old trees. So 12 31. My next hole is going to be at 41. So I'm always starting off from center of the tape measure again. From hole to hole, I'm starting off at center at each hole. That way, when I go to weld my pipe, once I have center on the first one, which is 12, and then start at center 12 to the next hole is 31, center, and so forth, 41, and I'll start here to the next one. That way, I can go center to center. I have plenty of room to wiggle the pipe back and forth, give or take. Remember, there's not going to be a lot of weight on this. Weight bearing will probably be that hole right there, and probably either the last one or two holes in the back. Wherever the rollers are going to be, that's going to be the weight bearing of the gate. So if I put it between two poles or two holes on the little piers that it's going to be, it'll divide the weight. But you know, guys, that pipe's going to be pretty thick. I don't think it's going to budge any, but it's going to work. All right, guys.